This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for unemployment online in Georgia. First, ensure you meet the state's eligibility requirements, which include being unemployed through no fault of your own and actively seeking work. You'll need to gather essential documents like your social security number, driver's license, and employment history for the past 18 months. Then, navigate directly to the Georgia Department of Labor's official website to begin your application process. This is the only way to file. Once on the Georgia Department of Labor website, your first step is to create a secure online account through the MyUI Claimant portal. This portal will be your hub for all unemployment-related activities. Carefully fill out every section of the application, providing precise details about your work history and reasons for separation. Before submitting, always take a moment to thoroughly review your entire application for any potential mistakes or omissions. When completing your application, it's crucial to provide a comprehensive employment history covering the last 18 months, including employer names, addresses, and dates of employment. Also, ensure you have accurate contact information for all your previous employers. Remember, honesty is paramount. Providing false or misleading information can result in severe penalties, including disqualification from benefits and potential legal action. The Georgia Department of Labor verifies information provided during the application process. After successfully filing your initial claim, you must certify your eligibility weekly to continue receiving benefits. This usually involves answering a few questions online about your availability for work and any earnings. Regularly check your application status through the MyUI Claimant portal for updates. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.